Obviously, you can make and sell websites, sales funnels, create lists and turn around and sell them, or become an affiliate marketer through one of the already established affiliate marketing programs. You can also sell cell phone apps, and you can sell content created through the script generator. There are so many ways to make money with Builderall. The challenge is just picking one. But if you've got any talent or interest in digital marketing, you're sure to find something because there's so much there to choose from.